Hey kids, it's Mrs. Compton and we're in luck. We are still in fractions, and fractions are one of my very favorite things to do. I know Mrs. Yates feels that way too. All right, so here is a number bond. It says make me true, and I have a number bond. Remember, number bonds are like from way back in the past. Like if I were to have a 7 there and a 3 here and a 2 here, what's missing here? Well, 3 plus 2 is 5, so that has to be a 2, right? It's no different for fractions. So in this case, I have a number bond with 3/4, and I have 3 empty spaces. So you can, of course, think about 1, 2, 3/4, what that would look like. I want you to make this number bond true. So grab your whiteboard and your marker and make that number bond true. All right, so you might want to hit pause right now while you think it through. Okay, here we go. I have made my number bond true. Now, I do want to mention there is more than one answer here, but in this case, I'm going to show you what I got, what I decided on. All right, 1, 2, 3, show me. Boom. I decided on just using fourths. 1/4, another 4th, and another 4th makes 3/4. Right? So we could do 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. All right, how would that have changed if I only had this? How would that change your work? Well, write your answer down. What would you have done now? Okay, I'm getting crafty here. All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, show me. Like that. Do you have something like that? So it was 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4, but then when I took one of these away, you had to put 2 of them together because you only had 2 spots. So this could be 1/4, and this could be 2/4. Or you could switch them around. This could be 2/4, and that could be 1/4. All right, I'm going to give you another one. Let's see. I think I shall hit pause while I write it up. Okay, I've got it. 5/6. And it's going to be broken into 3 pieces, but one of the pieces is worth 3/6. Here it is up close if you can't see it that well. So what would these have to be? What do you think? All right, you can hit pause if you would like. You can also take a peek over here. You know that 5/6 looks like this. I hope you didn't see my board. Okay, when you're ready. All right, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, show me. All right, does it look like that? So if we have 3/6 and another 1/6, that's 4/6, and another 1/6 makes 5/6. So it's 1/6 here and 1/6 here. You can even see that, right? So 3/6 plus another 6 plus another 6 is 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. Whew! How many more 6 do we need to get to a whole? Just that one little piece, right? We only need 1/6 left to get to a whole. Okay, we're gonna do una más. That is Spanish for. All right, do you guys speak Spanish? I bet some of you do. I bet many of you probably do. Okay, let's do it. I think I'm gonna do one with 8ths. 7/8. Okay, I'm gonna let you pick whatever you want down there. So this could get creative. You guys, it could be any number of combinations, but it has to be broken into 3 parts. Okay, ready? Okay, are you ready? All right, remember, I might have something different from what you have, and that's okay, as long as whatever you have here makes 7/8. Here we go, ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, show me. Boom. Does it look something like this? 1/8 plus another eighth would make 2/8. Plus 5 more eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 would make 7/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7/8. All right. So it could be this, or maybe you did something. So this is an option. Maybe you did 2/8, 2/8. That makes 4/8. And then you had 3/8 left. It could be literally anything. All right. The number 7, wait, last time we had one that ended right here at 5, 6, right? And we had one more piece to get to a hole. How about 7/8? We have one more piece to get to a hole, one more eighth. Which one's closer to a hole? Is it this one, 5, 6, or this one, 7/8? Let's look at that. 5, 6, 7/8. Which is closer to 1? Okay, let's think this through. You guys, sometimes I just get way too excited and my words just go. All right, so 5, 6, here we go. That's right here. 7/8 is right here. Okay, which one's closer to being worth a whole? Looks like 7/8 is actually closer to being a whole because the piece is just so much smaller to go. So we only need that much more to get to a hole. And over here we need that much plus that. So that little piece there had to get added on. So makes 7/8 worth more than 5, 6. So 5, 6 is less than 7/8. Oh, that's so interesting. There's so many things to notice as you were working. Okay, you guys, today's all about eating pizza. Here we go. Luca and Anne are eating the same size small pizzas. All right, it's their lucky day. It happens to be a Friday here while I'm making this for you, so who knows, it could be a pizza night for me. Luca and Anne are eating the same size small pizzas. One plate has 3/4 of Luca's cheese pizza. Another plate has 5/6 of Anne's mushroom pizza. Whose plate has more pizza? I don't know yet. We're going to have to figure this out. All right. I'm going to put Luca on this one, Anne on this one, and we're going to figure it out. Okay, so Luca has 3/4 of his pizza. So I'm going to cut this in half and half again. And Luca has 3/4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Anne's has 5/6. Okay, so I'm going to cut hers in half. And I'm going to cut each half into 3 pieces because 3 times 2 will make 6. All right, so 5/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, here's the tricky thing, you guys. Here's the tricky thing. We shouldn't really just rely on our hand drawings because our hands are not perfect, and I could have messed up one of these pieces, so I really have to kind of get in there and learn my math. So if I know this piece has 3/4 shaded, and this piece has 5/6 shaded, I'm going to start thinking about, well, 3/4, let's go over here, 3/4 has this much more to go to a hole, right? And 5/6, that doesn't look like 5, I want to fix that. 5/6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, has this much more to go to a hole. So which one has more to get to the hole? 1/4 or 1/6? Well, this is missing more to get to the hole. So that means this one is actually greater, 5/6, because it's almost there. It's getting close to being a hole. So whose plate has more pizza? The answer to that is ands. But just have to be careful, right? Because when we draw with our hands, we're not perfect. So I could have very easily made these look like they were the same size pieces. So we just have to start thinking about kind of comparing that 1/6 and 1/4, and knowing that 1/6 is actually smaller because there's less room to go. All right, enough of me talking. It's your turn. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.